You wanna know about the periodic table? Well, this is gonna teach you all about the patterns and the new elements. Trust me, it gets easy. The periodic table is already structured of increasing atomic number. There are 18 columns. These are called the families. The people like, whoa, their properties are real similar. When you read left to right, there are things you might find like the reactivity goes higher, low to high to non. And it goes from metals to semi to non. This is what we read and find when we look across the 7 horizontal periods. If you want to know how to find the structure of an atom, just take a glance at the element box. It tells you what you need to know. The atomic number tells you the number of protons and electrons. Mass number minus protons is neutrons. No, for real. It equals the neutrons. You believe all the patterns here for us. Dimitri Mendeleev says remembering these is a must. Valence electrons are another thing you need to know. They are the outermost set of electrons. Each group has the same amount of protein, has no four shells. The number of valence electrons determines reactivity. Atoms will react with others till they're happy, and that's it for the existing patterns. You want to know about the periodic table? This is gonna teach you all about the patterns in the new elements. Trust me, it gets easy. You want to know about the periodic table? This is gonna teach you all about the patterns in the new elements. Trust me, it gets easy. What you know about the 3 new elements? What you know about where to put them? You know now, since you know all the patterns. Take this knowledge to help predict stuff about new elements. Take asclepium, for example, its number when it's 18. You can see its shells are full, so it must be in a gas. We can tell now that it's in family 18. It must have similar properties and uses. Protium is number 119 and it only has 1 valence electron, so it is a part of family 1. It's highly reactive in a metal with metal properties. It's used in bombs and explosive things like fireworks. They be like, oh, predicting that's so tight. I'm like, yo, it's really easy once you learn it. Some reasons 143, let's do some simple predicting. It's on the left side of the zigzag line, so it must be metal. It's hard, malleable, shiny, and ductile. It's a good conductor of heat and electricity. So I know what it is. Asked to be a transition metal used in buildings, wires, and door handles. See, now you got this predicting thing down to a T. Showing off your skills to all the people, cause you really can. You really can? Really can. Really can. Nuh-uh. Uh-huh. Really can. You really can. We can classify all the new elements by finding pieces of evidence. We look deep into the patterns to find their new residence. We can classify all the new elements by finding pieces of evidence. We look deep into the patterns to find their new residence. You wanna know about the periodic table? This is gonna teach you all about the patterns and the new elements. Trust me, it gets easy. You wanna know about the periodic table? This is gonna teach you all about the patterns and the new elements. Trust me, it gets easy.